and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram. Traveling to the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. Please lower your head and watch your step while boarding. Please place young children toward the inside of the tram, away from the sides. There may be no lap sitting, except for very young children who are sitting with their parents. Children may not ride in strollers. Strollers should be folded and safely stored before we leave. As a courtesy to other passengers, we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. As a reminder, this is the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram, serving the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. We'll begin our trip shortly. Thank you.
Alright, folks, been reporting at this time. We cross the yellow safety line. We do not do so. The tram here shortly. For my guests on board, this tram is now ready to depart. Driver, you are clear.
You're supposed to come over tomorrow.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member.
And if you're tired,
Thank you.
then don't bother. Now, I don't know how it will feel, because you said if I take it out to my teeth, it would be like the structure of your teeth, because I've had it for so long. But then he was like, but it's also like affecting your gum if it's staying on. I thought. I don't know. I guess like he just didn't like how long I've had it on. I do wash between it, and then I have the water pick. But I think it's just because I.
If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. You'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today. Just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. You can enjoy magic all year round by upgrading your ticket via the official Disneyland app before the end of the day. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right-of-way to Disneyland vehicles, whether you are walking or driving.
Driver, you are clear.
Yeah, it feels like half my teeth want to fall out and the other half are like still in my mouth. Yeah, that's how I do it pop up.
Doors closed and the tram has come to a full and complete stop, and I've indicated it is safe to exit on the driver's right-hand side and the driver's right-hand side only. If you are parked in the Chippendale parking level, please use the crosswalk under the Mickey and Friends structure. Thank you.
I thought my teeth were fake because of slow motion. Yeah. It's like waiting for me to like say something.
Alright, folks, please remain seated with those doors closed. We've come to an unscheduled stop. We will resume motion momentarily.
Alright, well.
Driver, you are clear.
No, he's planning on it. He has a rash under his eyes. So he wants to take care of it. He's coming at 2. Yeah.
Once again, folks, please remain seated with those doors closed. The driver has come to a full and complete stop, and I've indicated safe to exit on the driver's right-hand side and the driver's right-hand side only. way, guys. Gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step as you exit on the driver's right.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram. Please lower your head and watch your step while boarding. Please place young children toward the inside of the tram, away from the side. There may be no lap sitting, except for very young children who are sitting with their parents. Children may not ride in strollers. Strollers should be folded and safely stored before we leave. As a courtesy to other passengers, we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. In just a few moments, we will begin our trip to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats.
Driver, you have your turn.
With football in front. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear.
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and
As a
the...
friendly reminder to all guests, please keep your hands fully retracted inside the vehicle at all times. Thank you.
Our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme parks, the Esplanade between the parks, or in the downtown Disney district. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your tickets. Just ahead is the downtown Disney district with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time.
Alrighty, folks, as we arrive to our destination, I ask that you please remain seated with the doors closed until I've indicated it's safe to exit to the driver's left-hand side and driver's left-hand side only. Once again, please remain seated. Doors closed until the tram comes to a full and complete stop. And I have indicated it is safe to exit to the driver's left-hand side and driver's left-hand side only. Please remain seated. Alrighty. Please gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the driver's left-hand side. That's right, we're going to follow leader and exit to the driver's left-hand side.